hip, hooray, hip, hooray, hip. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino.
I'm Adam, and this is Twyla.
Now, we've been promising you guys for a while that we would show you our bloopers, especially our long-term watchers? Viewers. Look, I'm already stuffing up. We can put that in our next lot of bloopers. But anyway, we've been promising for a while this, so I hope you're going to enjoy it.
This is a range of videos over the last year or so.
Yes.
Obviously, we can't capture everything for all these stuffs over the time, but yeah, it's a range of moments.
Yeah, so hopefully you're going to like it. Now, remember, as per usual, like, subscribe, tell your friends about us. Thank you to all our new subscribers and thank you for our long-term subscribers. But let's get straight into this now. So the very first clip you're going to see is when we first picked up our van. The owner of the van was so excited to show us all around it, but we got a little bit of a surprise. And I tell you right now, I was not going to travel 4 hours home by myself in that van with what we had adopted. You'll see what it is. Trust me, Adam was fine. He was driving his car. Anyway, watch the video. Welcome to our new van.
Oh, is there fly spray? Are you in the fly spray with you?
The big spider.
Do you want us to go? Big flick, big flick.
Well, in the next few clips, you're going to see the real side of us where we get really nasty with each other. No, I'm joking. But
like any relationship, we have our moments with each other and frustrations. So, yeah, a bit of humour there, I guess. But we tend to get along pretty well most times, as you'll see.
Well, I hope so. Well, we are in a very small combined space for quite a lot of time. So, of course, it's going to get heated sometimes. Yeah. But at the end of the day, we always have a laugh. So,
enjoy.
I'll introduce you to them later, I'll say.
Yes, just continue on. Like, just, yeah. Don't do the whole thing over again.
I am doing the whole thing over again.
Oh, okay, God.
Relax. Come on, but I'm doing anything else. Are you busy? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino. Need to, I don't know, go back to bed and come back up again. Been really weird today.
Okay, I'll go back to bed.
Now. So we're finally in the car, ready to take off. What's wrong, babe? What's wrong?
Nothing.
What have I done?
Now you've got
the in my arm.
Is it? Do me to do it from my side?
Yes, I have to.
The next few clips are at times where you can't control, I guess, what's around you, whether it's animals or background noise or whatever it may be. And things can take a few times to get it done right.
Well, yes, especially with this one. She sometimes can do some very interesting things. Anyway, let's go watch the clips.
Oh, I had a chill.
So we're all packed up and ready to head into town, but let's give you a little review on this stop if you're going to be stopping over here at the Bowls Club. Pretty much the only complaint we had, well, it wasn't even a complaint, was the trains. They went past and they were pretty loud when they did. Twyla, well, and if there's an annoying dog barking in the area. No, but when the trains went past, it did wait. Go away, fly. Go, go. Just back in the van having our lunch. And Twyla, we've got a fan on her, keeping her cool. And Adam's having his lunch, and then we've got another fan up here, keeping us cool as well. Because it is hot. You going to go down and look at the water?
No.
Why not?
It's too hot.
Well, guys, this is what we've all been waiting for. We are here at... Where are we looking?
Oh, there. Now you've got the
Look at my arm.
Is it? You don't mean to do it from my side.
Oh, yes, I do it. 3, 2, 1. So we've just arrived to the Bendigo Art Centre to come.
It's not the art centre.
Oh no, it's not. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. So we've just arrived to the Bendigo Art Centre.
No, Bendigo Art Gallery. Just go.
Maybe stand in front of you. Alright, we'll start. This is really.
Is that a bus stop?
So we just arrived to the Bendigo Art Gallery. Oh, wait a second.
Bus stop, okay, sorry.
Hey guys, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino and
Go again.
Okay.
Happy girl.
Big poo-poos coming. Big poo-poos. Should we have the second so you can do it? Hey, hip. Hooray. Hip. I can start there and come up. Oh no, it's all right. She'll be on camera. All right. 5, 4.
We're all looking. Camera.
Yep.
Okay.
2, go.
So on the subject of beds, on this, start again.
3, 2,
On this-
1.
On the subject of beds,
No, storage. Oh.
yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
So I've been delegated the numerals for 22. I'll start again. 22.
Keep up with the storyline, Adam.
Jesus, not open.
Don't you remember what we did yesterday?
Today?
Yesterday. All right. Now, if you come down and see the exhibition, you definitely have to come down. Oh, where are we? What is this? What's this park? Can you Google it? I can't say come down to what. Pal. What? Paul's Mall. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Right in the middle of Bendigo, they have set up the biggest sign saying, wait, let me just cover that. Okay, let's just try that again. Action.
Stop.
Yeah.
Hands up. At least it stood upright.
That's a different way to cut wood.
I give up. No.
So as you come down the stairs, just watch your step because it can be... Ooh. You can trip like that. Now, well, every good episode deserves a good ending. So we're about to show you the ones that didn't quite make it. There's been a few times where we've been stuck on an ending and we've had to repeat it multiple times to get it right. But anyway, here they are now. Or have you got anything to say about this?
No, I was going to say as many times you get tongue-tied, or I do at least.
Oh, well, and I do too. So let's go check it out and then...
Oh, you know what? Do it... God, I look so small right now.
You do. She looks really cute. That's good.
Trying to get it. let me do what
So we just got back from...
Okay. That's enough. Okay.
crossing a border. But anyway, stay tuned to that if you want to see it. And Adam...
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Shit. No.
Don't worry.
Do this. No, it looks really cute.
Now we look like Abba. Turn around.
Looks like Abba. Mama.
Mama.
Okay. It's lots of love. So
Right, 3, 2,
way
1.
better.
Well, she can pop in and out of it. 5,
She's just not happy.
4, 3.
It's a weird angle. You're like so close. Why don't you get back? See, it's a little bit.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Jump by the heart. There.
God, it's a really bad angle.
Exactly. 30 minutes, a minute and a half.
Trees, Twyla.
Ooh.
What'd you do?
Ooh, I poked you in the eye. Put that one in the bloopers. All right. That's terrible.
Oh.
Got the googles now. Okay.
Okay, I've got her. Yeah.
You look like you're strangling her.
Why should look in my hand?
Well, next week we're hitting the road again, so stay tuned as per usual. 5 o'clock Sunday, and make sure if you haven't already, go down the bottom and
Subscribe.
like, subscribe, tell all your friends about us. Adam doesn't even know the spiel, but anyway.
We do it again.
Oh, I didn't have to. I thought that. Twyla.
Yeah. What's up? What's up?
Me.
Yeah. Up.
3, 2, 1. Well, Twyla's finally settled down. We're on the couch. We're just... What's she doing? she's admiring
Looking
you.
at me.
It's been a long day without Daddy, so she's... Anyway, by the way, if you... Well, guys, that's it for another amazing adventure. Did you have fun, Adam?
Yeah, no, we did. As always.
Wasn't that caravan park the best? I loved it. It was really good. You're trying to remember which caravan park was.
Which Bogart?
Yes, I told
Lake
you
Bogart.
out there. I told you.
Okay.
I'm gonna laugh. 3, 2, 1. Twyla, don't look depressed. 3, 2, 1.
Twyla.
Hey, Picky.
Look at yourself in the camera.
Yeah, look, you don't normally bark yourself on TV.
Look, Twyla.
Jeez.
Who's that?
Ah, big yawn. Okay.
Yes, Twyla.
So before we head out to go see our first vans, let's talk about where we actually are. So what beach are we at? Well, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Not like Twyla, she's fallen asleep, and hopefully that's not an indication of how you feel at home. But we have promised you for a long time these little...
Blooper reel. It's been, like I said, or like we said, it's been a year now for these collections. So obviously it's not all our bloopers, but at least a range of those.
A few bits and pieces.
Yeah.
But stay tuned next week. Obviously 5 p.m. Sunday as per usual. All our new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And otherwise, if you haven't subscribed, when the little circle comes up, where are you going to put the circle, Adam? Around there. just touch that and it'll subscribe you. Otherwise, other videos will come up too. You can touch them as well and watch
Nice
another
and easy.
video.
And next week, we're off to Ballarat with family and friends. So that's going to be an exciting one.
Now, you know we've been to Ballarat before, but we're bringing you something completely different. So get ready for it. It's going to be a fun adventure. But until next week, we'll see you then, guys. Ciao.
See yous.